What you're seeing is a demo of the SL-HF1000 Betamax that I have for sale on eBay. This is one of the most sought after Betamax units because of a lot of reasons. The playback quality is excellent on these models. They were actually in a lot of ways better than the later SL-HF1000 that came out, because it was kind of a scaled down, stripped down Betamax. But this was a very full featured Betamax. Plays really high quality. I'm going to demonstrate with inserting a tape, and I'll show you how well it works. So insert the tape. Loading and threading perfectly. I'm going to press play.
Oh, Leeds! Leeds! Join us!
Sure. Okay. Sorry.
You can see the playback quality. I'm going to press stop. And fast forward. Fast forward perfectly. Rewind. Rewinds perfectly. I'm going to stop. Press play.
It's a good thing.
And you can see the playback quality is excellent. Going to stop the tape. Going to hit eject. See, it unthreads perfectly and comes right up. So a really well functioning unit. The important part, the playback quality is awesome. Also should mention the cosmetic condition of this unit is excellent. The screen is nice and bright, which, as you may know, with a lot of these units, if they've been left on for a long time, the screens can fade, but the display on the front is nice and bright. Wish I could keep it.